The next one going to discuss about sex determination plans. So in the world it must be exist so many kinds of regarding what angiosperm plants. Angiosperm plant means commonly called as flowering plants. Out of 100%, 94% of flowering plants which are same individuals. Or 94% of regarding flowering plants, both male sex and female sex which are present on the same plant. If both male sex and female sex present on the same flower or same plant, how it can be said such a plant is commonly called as monomorphic plants. Mono means same, single, that meaning called. So 94% of flowering plants, both male sex and female sex present on the same flower or it may be same plant. How to say it is commonly called as monomorphic. The remaining 6% of regarding flowering plants, male sex as well as female sex, it may be separated. Or male sex organ, female sex organ which may be present regarding but a different plant. You know any one of the example? Yes, papaya. What a binomial name is, do you know? Carica papaya. Then palmyra, panamarum. Those two, male plant is separate, female plant is separate. If male plant and a female plant its are occur to separate mean there is no possible to sex, because male sex organ, female sex organ which are present to the same flower or same plant mean is probability is a possible to happen regarding what sexual reproduction. But male sex and female sex it may be separated means if it is occur mean in general there is no possible regarding what sexual determination. So 6% of flowering plants, male sex and female sex it may be separated. So male plant produce pollen grains. Female plant produce carpels. Pollen grains are also called regarding what is stamens, or stamens are made up of regarding what? Pollen grains. Female plant is produced regarding what? That? Carpels. So in the world many scientists to be eager to research going on regarding what? Sex determination of plants. But which scientist first expose sex determination in the plant is commonly called as C.E. Allen. In the year of 1970, he was the first person to going to be research in sex determination in the plants. But many scientists to be eager. But which scientist that eager to be exposed to be first is commonly called as C. Allen when the year of 1970. Sex determination is not a easy process, it is a complex process. What are the complex it can be associated? Yes, combination of genes, environmental condition, then hormones. So those three is responsible determine the sex. The male and the female is not determined to the single individuality, that is determined by the influence of gene, by the influence of environmental factor, environmental condition, by the presence of regarding what hormones. So that we say sex determination, it is not a easy process, it is a complex process which must be influenced genes, environment conditions and the hormones. The sex determination, which plan, see Alan, first it can be noticed commonly called as Silent latifolia. Are also known as Melandrium album. Silent latifolia are also called Melandrium album. That silent latifolia or Melandrium album, the sex is controlled by three distinct sexual regions are there. But according to your books, the diagram it is not given. Now draw the diagram. Please noted and mentioned what are the three distinct complex in the sex chromosome. Yes, can I go to the first one? Y chromosomes. Y chromosome is determined maleness. Second one, X chromosome determine femaleness. The third one, combinations of X and Y chromosome that's having different kinds of segments such as segment 1, segment 2, segment 3, segment 4 and segment 5. These are the three distinct sexual regions or occur in the chromosomes of X and Y. Can I draw the chromosomes? This is Y chromosomes. That is X chromosomes. So I am already indicating to you there are 5 distinct compounds are there. This is the first segment. This is the second segment. This is the third segments. This is the fourth segments. So first segment, second segment, third segment, fourth segment, which is occur in the Y chromosome. That's a commonly called as male chromosome. Male chromosomes comparatively larger than the regarding what X chromosome. Yes, the X chromosome. This is the fifth segment. This is the fourth segment. So there are 4 segments are occur in the Y chromosome. There are 2 segments are occur regarding what X chromosome. So please, the diagrammatic nature is not given in your books. Please draw where is nothing but the simultaneous space available the sexual determination plan, you must be draw. When I have to be go through, it can possible to easily understand, because what are the segments are there should be recording but easily identified. Okay. The next one going to commonly called as environments also determine maleness and femaleness. Such a characteristic feature is generally available. The only one plant is commonly called as Eucosystems. How it is commonly called as? It is a horse tail to say, because that plant structure is look like available to regarding horse tail. So commonly called as ecosystem. So ecosystem, it is small herbaceous plants. When grow is a well known condition and well known media or suitable condition means the plant it must be developed regarding what the femaleness. Or when can grow good condition, the plant it will be developed as a regarding what the femaleness. Or it may be grow during regarding what stress condition. That a same plant it may be developed regarding what maleness. So what I would like to be indicating to be here mean, I am already indicating to you, sex determination, it is not a easy process, it is a complex process which is influenced by gene, environment condition as well as a hormone. So here its grow well known means develop as a maleness. If the environment is not suitable condition or the environment is available stress condition or the source of material is not available to be easy mean, the plant it may be developed as regarding what maleness. So environment also determine regarding what sex. The next one we going to in sex determination. The first one is commonly called as sex determination in papaya. In Tamil to say papali, but by enamel name is commonly called as Carica papaya. In the world, recently, who are first contributing research to find out sex chromosome in papaya? The only one scientist commonly called as USA scientist, particularly Hawaii Islands. Hawaii Island scientist recently going to be discover sex chromosome in papaya. How much chromosome in papaya? 2n is equal to 36. So there are 36 chromosomes are in regarding what is sex chromosomes. Who are find out? USA scientists. So Hawaii Island is available to USA. Among that USA various occur means North Africa, North America. Here only they can be situated. So sex chromosome how much is that? 2n is equal to regarding what? 36. Out of 36, how much pair is commonly called as? 18 pairs. Out of 18 pairs, 17 pairs is given to regarding what? Autosomes. Autosomes is commonly called what? Somatic chromosomes. remaining one pair. That is a commonly called as X chromosomes. In male, Y. In female, X. So one pair is commonly called as male is Y, female is regarding what X. But the sex chromosome functionally is commonly called as distinct because Y chromosomes, the genes are carried to develop male organs. Instead of Y, X chromosomes, the genes are carried to develop female organs. So functionally what I would like to say, sex chromosome it's functionally distinct because Y chromosomes carry genes to develop male organ, X chromosome carry gene to develop regarding what a female organ. So in papaya there are 3 allelic forms are occur, is namely called as small m, capital M1, capital M2. These are 3 alleles make the combinations. That allele, if it is occur homozygous or heterozygous, what are the combinations of gene it can be possible? Can I put it? Yes, now go like this. Genotype, dominant or recessive, third one modification, fourth one sex. Yes. Can I go to that regarding what alleles? The first one is commonly called as small m, small m. That is a commonly called as homozygous recessive. Homozygous recessive, small m, if it genes are occurs commonly called as restricted male. Or restricted maleness. If there is no possible develop as a male, so what is the producing? Producing female plant. Yes. Instead of M1, capital M1 and a small m, there is a commonly called as heterozygous. What is the heterozygous? Because dominant genes are there, recessive genes are there. So if it is occur a combination is commonly called as heterozygous. What can we produce commonly called as induce maleness. If you induce maleness is what type of plant is obtained? Yes, male plant is obtained. Then capital M2 small m, this also to be commonly called as heterozygous. That means called produce, induce both the sex. If induce both the sex means what organism is sometimes commonly called as, it is a bisexual, but is a rare. The last one, M1, capital M1, capital M1, capital M2, capital M2, capital M1, capital M2. So it may be possible, both are same, so call occur homozygous or heterozygous but dominant. So homozygous or heterozygous dominant alleles are occurring commonly called as inviable plants are obtained. What do they call inviable? The plants are there, but it's not a produce regarding what fertilization. So called what? It's make sterile plant. These are the things. The alleles are make capital small m, capital M1 small m, capital M2 m, capital M1 capital M1, capital M2 capital M2, capital M1 and capital M2. Sex determination in Spirochacus. So Spirocarpus is nothing but is a bryophytes. Sex determination in the world, which organism is first going to be research contributing, is the first plant is commonly called as Spirocarpus donali. This is the first species going to be research in sex determination. This is a concept of plants is commonly called as bryophytes. The Spirocarpus donali is commonly called as heteromorphic chromosomes are there. So what is the meaning commonly called as heteromorphic chromosome? Heteromorphic chromosome is nothing but there are two distinct chromosomes. What are two distinct chromosomes? Size and shape it may be dissimilar. Okay. The Spirocarpus donali is commonly called as haploid gametophyte. What haploid gametophyte? Both male and female are called haploid gametophyte. So how much chromosome is commonly called as? N is equal to 8. So the chromosome is commonly called as a heteromorphic chromosomes, but sporophytes are commonly called as diploid heterogametic chromosome or heterogametic conditions. Gametophyte is haploid heteromorphic. Sporophyte is diploid hetero. What is heterogamete? That's common. Two different kinds of gamete or two different gamete. For here, out of X chromosome, 8 chromosome, 7 chromosomes is same, both male and female plant. Are you able to understand? Both the male plant and the female plant, out of 8 chromosomes, 7 chromosomes are same, both male and female. But one chromosome is a sex chromosome. Is a differ. How is it differ? In male, is a commonly called as Y chromosomes. In female, is a commonly called as X chromosomes. In out of 8, 7 chromosomes are same, both male and female. But in male Y chromosome, in female X chromosome, that's are differ is the only one. Small changes are occur. In female, that X chromosome larger than the regarding what autosomes. But in male, Y chromosome is smaller than the regarding what autosomes. But the sporophytic diploidic heterogametes is always, it can be combination of regarding what X and Y chromosomes. Sporophyte is a combination of X and Y chromosome. That X and Y chromosome undergo meiosis is produced spores, commonly called as meiospore. So the sporophyte is a combination of X and Y chromosome. That chromosome undergo meiosis, produce commonly called as meiospores. In the meiospores or meiospores of X chromosome develop female gametophytes. The meiospores of Y chromosomes develop male gametophyte. As students, what I am planning is up to regarding the 6 dimensions maze, but unable to possible to be completed. Go to continue that 6 dimension maze in regarding what a coming class. What is going on until this regarding the time? Please, without skipping video, please you go through. If you are go through thoroughly, means it can easily understand for your studies. Thank you.